Frank Ezike, Anatomist, anatomical class, online class. So we're gonna be talking about liver today. We're gonna be looking at what is liver, definition of liver, what is liver. We're gonna be talking about embryology of the liver, that is embryonic development of the liver. We're gonna be talking about blood supplies of the liver, histology of the liver, byproduction of the liver, and some disease conditions of the liver. So let's start with liver. What is liver? Now this is liver. As we all know, liver is a primary organ in the body for metabolism. Now, what is metabolism? Metabolism means breaking down nutrients to yield energy, also building up something from monomer to produce something in body components. So metabolism is done here in the liver. No other organ in the body does metabolism, only the liver. So the liver is also the second largest organ in the body after the skin. The liver weighs about 1.5 kilogram. The liver is the largest gland in the body, and the liver is one of the organs responsible in digestion. It's one of the organs responsible in digestion. So the liver, this liver you are looking at here, I want us to understand everything about this liver. First of all, let's start with the location in the body. So we're gonna start with the location in the body, the location of the liver in the body. Now, if this is the body, here is the umbilicus, as we all know. Then we have in the body, we have what we call regions and quadrants. We have anatomical regions and we have anatomical quadrants. We have 4 quadrants, we have 9 regions. First of all, let's look at regions. Now, regions of the body is like this. We have 1 9 here, we have the other 9 here. Then we have 1 9 here, we have the other here. Now, these regions you are looking at here, here is called the left iliac region. The right, here is called the right, Here is called the left region. Then here is called the lumbar, left lumbar region. Left lumbar region. Here is called the right lumbar region. Here is called the umbilicus region. Umbilicus region. Then here is called the hypogastric region. Hypogastric region. Here is called the epigastric region. Epigastric region. Here is called the hypochondriac left region. Here, the hypochondriac right region. Now, the liver is located here. The liver is located at this region. The liver is like this. So it starts from the right hypochondriac region, then it extends to the epigastric region, and frequently, slightly to the left hypogastric region. This is how the liver is. So you can clearly see that the liver is located at the right epigastric, and finally, frequently, slightly to the left. So this is about regions of the body, the location of the liver regarding to regions of the body. Now let's look at quadrants, anatomical quadrants. Let's look at anatomical quadrants. This one, we only have the umbilicus is here. The umbilicus serve as the middle line. So we only have one line like this that runs down and like this. Then we call here the right upper quadrant. Right upper quadrants. We call here left upper quadrants. We call here left lower quadrant, and finally right lower quadrants. Now, where is the liver? We can clearly see that the liver will be here, somewhere here. So with all this diagram, we can clearly see that the liver is located at the right upper abdominal region, slightly to the left. Now, the location of the liver here, because of the liver is here, the liver now suppress the right kidney. When you look at the kidney, the appearance, the kidney, the two kidney, you can see that the left one goes up like this, while the right one comes down small, like this. The left starts from T11, thoracic 11 to lumbar 2, while the right starts from T12 to lumbar 3. This is because of this liver. This liver suppresses small, so it goes down small. But we are not talking about this. Now we have understand the location of the liver, the anatomical location of it. So when you look at somebody, you can clearly know where, if you are an anatomy student or medical student, you can clearly know where the liver is located. Just looking at the person, you have already know that the liver is located at the right upper abdominal region. So that is this side, slightly to the left. Now let's talk about the embryonic development of the liver.